Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to join Telegram private channel without invite link. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So if you don't have an invite, if you don't have a link and you want to go into specific Telegram group, I'm going to show how you can do it. So first of all, you want to go ahead and create a new group. Just do it. Create a new group with link one person in it and then delete it. That's what I have done right here. So this is a completely new group with only me inside. What you want to do now? You want to hit add members right here. Okay, then copy this invite link. Now what you want to do, go to Chrome and copy paste this link in here. Now you want to remove all the information from this group, and now we can join random or specific Telegram channels that we don't have an invited from. For example, as you can see, I typed in Trump just as an example. You can see preview channel view in Telegram. If we can now join this specific group channel without invite, so we can also do that with something else. Like if you just type this in again, it's like GWH cheese for example. You can see we can also go into this one, so you can type in a lot of different text right here from the links and you can then join them. Let's see if this is one. Yes, there you go. You can see this is also a specific group that you can join. So what you want to do, you want to get into to know what the actual link is from a specific group you want to join. But this is already how you can join Telegram channels where you don't have an actual invite for if this video where you don't have an actual invite. So this is the way how you can join Telegram private channel without invite link. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.